welcome to Staples Vlogs. As you can see, we are freezing our asses off in. Fuck you.
Can I just ask, could you please
Keep the swearing down to a minimum.
no, could you please not steal my
I'm just holding on to it.
No, but I mean you're
Anyway,
coming,
as I
you're
was saying-
stepping on my lines here. This is
Promoting your channel here, man. So, as I was saying. Oh dear.
just what I do, right?
That's quite good, actually. That's quite good quality.
Yeah, I'm actually really surprised how well this is coming out. Do your little jig, Charlie. I lost focus again.
That's pretty good. Watching that.
It is. I swear they're also coming out slightly a different colour. Kind of gone blurred a bit.
Yeah, mine's done.
If I zoom in, zoom out, better. It's sorted itself out slightly. I'm gonna stop. Do your little jig, Charlie. Okay. Go make me a sandwich. Do your little jig, Charlie.